Good day everyone. What happens when the law enforcement in the country, the police, the military, the government officials, the traffic department don't know the laws of the land? Who needs to make sure that the laws of the land are enforced correctly? And the simple answer is, it is us, the citizens of a country, that need to ensure that the laws are enforced correctly. And if you are stopped at a traffic stop somewhere and the traffic officer asks you to produce your driver's license, then all you can produce is your driver's license card. And if the traffic officer tells you that your card is expired, that your license is expired, then you can tell them that it's only your card that is expired, because under the South African law, your driver's license does not expire. And there is no law that says that your driver's license card needs to be replaced every so many years. That law just doesn't exist. So we know it's a money-making racket. I've covered this at length before. But whose job is it to fix government, to fix the traffic department, to fix the traffic police standing at the side of the road? It's your job to do that. It's your job to tell them that they are wrong when they tell you that your driver's license has expired, because it's not the case. It's impossible, in fact, for that to happen under the current law. And I have done this in many instances. And the traffic officer, once I've educated them, they would normally call in to the head office or wherever their regional control center is. They would then confirm what I'm saying, and I've only once been fined a fine that I refused to pay, because that fine is not based on any law whatsoever. So it is your job to rectify things like that. And politicians rely on the fact that most citizens won't do anything, will just cower and bow down to something being forced on them that is illegal. Whether you agree with the laws or not, it's the laws of the land based on the government of the day that gets enforced, and the constitution of the day that gets enforced. Whether that constitutional laws go against your grain is absolutely up to you. But those are the things that need to be enforced. And often laws will be unconstitutional. And in the case of the driver's license cards, it's being renewed every so many years. It's clearly a money-making racket at this stage. There's nothing based in law that gives them a reason why they should do that. And if they have a reason for doing so, then they should pass laws to say why. And those laws need to be accepted, and the lawmakers sit in Parliament, and the MPs need to vote on it, and they need to pass whatever laws it is that they want to pass. That is their job. And then what you can do is challenge those laws in the Concord, in the Constitutional Court, if you don't agree with them, if you think they're unconstitutional. And this is what is absolutely put South Africa in the mess that it's in. Our laws are a mess, the Constitution is a mess, the people applying it is a mess, and we are to blame. And this is the bottom line at the end of this video. And I want to thank you for watching this video, and I please want you to share this with your friends and family, is that we are to blame for not rectifying the powers that be, because we are the government. We are the law. We decide what law is. It's just in the current system, especially the consumerist system, the people are so beaten down and are so fighting to get money into their pockets every single day of their lives, that they don't have the strength to fight corrupt politicians, to fight a traffic officer, to fight the police, not physically, but in court. People don't have the strength for that. And the government has endless resources, all our taxpayers' money, to fight you from the institutions that are supposed to protect you. And this is why we need a change in the governance system. I thank you for watching this video. Again, please remember to share it with your friends and family.